These are the steps to turn the generator on should you lose power. The first step is to turn the main circuit breaker off. I'm here at 6 and I'm in the basement. That is the panel. The panel has both the circuit breaker for the main and for the generator in the same box. It's slightly different over at number 10. Here you'll see the main circuit breaker. Step 1, you're going to flip this to the left to turn all the electricity off to the house. There's a safety here that helps prevent you from having this breaker and this breaker, which is the generator, in the on position at the same time. You have to lift this up to make the generator circuit breaker active. And you can't unless you move the main to the left and then lift this up in the air, and then you can do it. It's a nice safety precaution. We don't have that over at 10 because the circuits are in different locations. So step 2 is to move the generator out of the garage and put it somewhere outside. And then step 3 is to connect the cable to the house. And that will be over here under the meter. It'll plug into here. You'll see that there's one end that has a notch on it. That's so you can line up the cables correctly and get the right points to connect to the right point, so you can't mess it up. So this one will go in here, and then on step 4 we'll connect this end of the cable into this port on the generator, and you'll see that it has a notch as well right here. In this picture you can see the cables are connected to the generator, and now we're going to start the generator. To do so, move the choke to the on position, which is in the left. It's right here. Make sure the gas is in the on position, which is right here. And then you've got the switch, which is an off, an on, and then a start. Start, electric start. And after a minute, can shut the choke off. Step 6 would be to turn the generator breaker on. This is after you shut the main off, you moved the generator outside, you hooked up the generator cables, and you come back down here. When this is in the off position, it will allow you to move this metal bracket upward. That allows you to move the generator circuit to the left and turn it on. This prevents you from having both of them on at the same time. You just lift it up. You can see how it blocks from moving. That's the safety. So that's the main, that's the generator. You never want to have both of them in the on position at the same time, and this helps prevent that.